Reading English is fun. Let's read two letter sounds of E mixed with D, M, N, S, T. Before that, what is in this video? Yes, it's an egg. So whenever you see letter E, remember the egg and read letter E as E. How? E. It's a doll. So whenever you see letter D, remember the doll and read it as D. What is this? It's a monkey. So whenever you see letter M, remember monkey and read M as M. What's this? It's a net. So whenever you see letter N, remember the net and read N as N. What's this? It's a sun. So whenever you see letter S, remember the sun and read the S as S. What's this? It's a tiger. So whenever you see letter T, remember the tiger and read T as T. Now shall we read it together? X, A and dolls D. D. X, A, monkeys M. M. X, A, nets N. N. X, A, suns S. X, A, tigers T. Dolls D. X, A, D. Monkeys M. X, A, M. Nets N. X, A, N. Suns S. X, A, S. Tigers T. X, A, T. Now let's read speedily. H, M, N, S, H. De, me, ne, se, te. There are so many such videos in our channel. Watch it and try to read. Become good readers. See you next video.